zone. Somehow to get compensated on the phone. 12 ounce, 24, 40 in our hands. No matter the brand, the color we can. Popping tops, twisting off our party plan. Shotgun in man. It ain't an addiction, but damn it, we're fixing to win. Best party trick of the year. For making beer disappear. Making beer after beer disappear. Making beer after beer after beer after beer disappear.
Let's learn Making Beer Disappear. It's choreographed by Rob Holley. It is a 32 count 4-wall high beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 7 after 16 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the step change, and then we're going to go through and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Making Beer Disappear. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. When you start this section, you want your hips slightly pointed to the left. We're going to weave, so we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, ready to do your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do side touches. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to point our right toe out. We're going to touch it next to our left, point your right toe out, and touch it next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our jazz box cross. You're going to do your side touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a ramble. So you're going to have your left heel come in towards the right, then your left toe come into the right, and your left heel come into the right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we step our left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do a ramble with our right foot. So you're going to bring that right heel in towards the left, your right toe in towards the left, your right heel in towards the left. And you want to make sure that your weight is on your left foot to end that section. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just did our touch. You're going to step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to do 2 step backs with hitches. So we're going to step back with our right foot. You're going to hit your left knee up. You're going to step back with your left and hit your right knee up. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, step forward with your right foot and do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, on that final section, if you would like, you can make those kicks instead of hitches. What I like to do on my hitches is kind of make them rotate out to the side so my body travels with it, just for some extra styling. But you can kind of add whatever styling and extra fun that you would like to add. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left with your hips slightly pointed to the left. We're going to do our weave. So it's cross, side, behind, side, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side touch, point, out, in, step, side, heel, toe, heel, quarter, side, heel, toe, heel, back hitch, rock back, recover, step, quarter, pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, when you are coming out of that quarter pivot, what you want to do is make sure that you slightly over rotate it. So that means that instead of your hips coming right to the 3 o'clock wall, you allow them to slightly go towards the left like we would when we were starting practicing the dance, so that it makes that transition into the weave a little bit easier. So when you come out of this quarter pivot, you want to make sure that you're coming more like you're pointing your hips towards 130, so this right foot has the ability to cross over and it makes it feel a little more fluid. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 7. It will be the second time that we're doing our 6 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance 16 counts and then restart the dance. However, we're only going to dance 15 counts of the regular dance and then change count 16. So let's dance up to count 15. Weight is on your left with your hips slightly pointed to the left. You're going to do your weave. So it's cross, side, behind, side, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side touch, point out, in, out. Right here, instead of bringing your right foot into touch next to your left, we're going to hold for a count so that your right toe is pointed out to the side. When you're going to do this, you want to make sure that your hips are slightly angled to the left so that this right foot can cross over and restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. Other than that, you don't have to worry about anything else in the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from that restart step change into the next wall. Weight is on your left with your hips slightly pointed to the left. We're going to start with our weave. So it's cross, side, behind, side, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, side touch, point, out, in, step, side, heel, toe, heel, quarter, side, heel, toe, heel, back hitch, rock back, recover, quarter pivot, now weave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, weave, jazz box, quarter, turn, side touch, point out, in, now your ramble, step, heel, toe, heel, quarter step, heel, toe, heel, back hitch, rock back, recover, quarter pivot, now your weave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, weave, jazz box, quarter, turn with the cross side touches, now your point, out, in, step and ramble, quarter step and ramble, back hitch, rock back, recover in your quarter pivot, now weave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do 15 counts and then do our step change. Weave, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross side touch. Now your point, out, in, hold, start over. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would dance through until the end of the song. Your final wall does end facing 12 o'clock when the music starts to fade away. What you're going to end up doing is being your side, heel, toe, heel, and then the music kind of starts dropping out and there's kind of a heavy beat. I just make my quarter turn and I do my ramble in and I wait till the song ends at that point. But again, that's kind of up to you. There's nothing listed on the step sheet, so you can kind of end it on that heavy beat if you would like, which means it would be a sharp quarter turn to the front, or you can finish off those turning rambles to end the dance as well. That choice is yours. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn making beer disappear. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.